To everyone who's a skeptic about driving electric, we say, challenge accepted.
Charging at home,
Challenge accepted.
got it all on your phone.
Challenge accepted.
Wherever you go,
Never run low.
you can charge while having a meeting.
Never run low.
Charge while relaxing and sleeping.
Never run low.
Charge while you wait for decisions to be made. For her finishing that shake. And when you're ready, it's already paid.
Never run low.
And you can't wait to get back to your car.
Never run low.
Easy charging wherever you are.
Never run low.
Charge fast if you love traveling far.
Never run low.
Don't let anything stop you and get back to your car.
Never run low.
Keep it cool, whatever you do.
Never run low.
Your car's ready. Are you?
Challenge accepted.
Enjoy charging. Enjoy electric.